Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed Massoud is here from M365 and welcome to my Copilot Studio and Microsoft 365 Copilot Geek. You have got the Copilot license and you don't know how to use it, or you are even paying for the AI that is sitting there unused. Don't worry, you are not alone. Most businesses unlock only 20% from Copilot potential, leaving money and productivity on the table. At M365, we turn your Microsoft 365 into an AI powerhouse that actually works for you. We provide complete Copilot setup and training and hands-on support over all Microsoft 365 apps and services that are currently supporting Copilot, especially Outlook, Teams, Word, and Excel. Plus custom AI chatbots with Copilot Studio, automating workflows and integrating your systems seamlessly. Imagine when the AI is drafting your emails, analyzing data instantly, creating presentations in minutes, and custom AI bots are handling your repetitive tasks. You want to work with us? Just reach out today and we will make the AI works for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.